The VEVOR 300g electric grinder is renowned for its high-speed motor, boasting 1,500-watt power and 28,000 rotations per minute, making it incredibly efficient for grinding a variety of dry materials. Its swing-type design allows for a more convenient and uniform grinding experience, as the device can be tilted 270 degrees for easy pouring and even powder distribution. Constructed with food-grade stainless steel, this grinder is not only durable, but also ensures no processing pollution, emphasizing its safety and reliability for culinary use. The grinder's three-layer blade system, including a crushing blade, horn blade, and powder removal blade, ensures superfine grinding within just 30 seconds, perfect for dehydrated foods. With the ability to handle a wide range of dried grains and spices, the VEVOR grinder is versatile, making it suitable for use in homes, kitchens, and even in medicine processing environments. Safety features such as an automatic stop when the lid is opened and an overload protector enhance user security, making it a practical choice for everyday grinding tasks.